California car cover is synonymous with custom fit accessories for your hot rods and muscle cars. But in case you didn't know, we offer custom fit accessories for just about anything on the road. And today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install some custom fit Endura seat covers on one of our associates' Kia Souls right here behind me. Protect your vehicle's interior with these durable Endura seat covers by Covercraft. The waterproof nylon polyester material is rugged and tough, ideal for protection from kids, pets, and daily wear and tear. To install, first remove your vehicle's headrest. Simply press in the release tab on either headrest to lift and remove. Slip the upper portion of the seat cover over the top of the seat. Depending on the shape and height of your bucket seats, this could take a few minutes. The Endura seat covers are designed for an exact fit, so they will fit snugly to the factory seats. Align any openings for the headrests, armrests, or levers. If your seats are equipped with side airbags, the opening or airbag tab will face the door. Push the bottom flap of the backrest cover through the gap in the seat. If your seat has a flap at the bottom of your factory seat covers, it will need to be unhooked until the seat cover installation is complete. Well, I got the backrest portion of the seat covers installed. Now in any seat cover installation, the backrest is usually the easy part because it just slips over and kind of has a hook and loop strapping. The seat bottoms take a little more work because they do have some buckles that need to be adjusted and secured across and also the length of the seat. So we're going to give it a shot right now. The bottom piece of your seat covers will have anchor straps and Velcro style straps to properly secure the seat cover to your seat base. Slide the seat cushion cover over the seat bottom. Align the seams with the front edge and sides before pushing the flap through the gap in the seat. The sides of the seat cover and anchor straps will need to be tucked inside the plastic trim around your seat. Installing custom fit seat covers definitely isn't glamorous. Probably should have started this project in the morning instead of midday, but having custom fit seat covers on your vehicle will definitely protect your interior for years to come. So now what I have to do now is just grab some of these straps from underneath the seats and tighten them so it helps secure the seat cover for the base of your seat. Buckle the anchor straps front to back and the Velcro straps side to side. Use the adjustable anchor straps to tighten as needed to properly secure the seat cover to the seat bottom for an exact fit. Attach the elastic straps for the upper portion of the seat cover or the bottom flap of your factory seat covers to the underside of the seat. Next, install the headrest covers. The covers will have a snug fit, so it might be easiest to install the headrests back in the seats before installing the covers. Pull the cover over, align the seams, and secure them with either elastic or Velcro closure. If your seat covers include a center console cover, simply slip that cover over the console and secure it under the lid with the attached Velcro straps. Now your factory seats are protected from daily wear and tear with these PrecisionFit Endura seat covers by Covercraft. View our website for all available applications.